Rate measure means dy by dx. Okay, the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another quantity is called the rate measure. So your numerator variable is called a dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Like I given example for this. See, for example, there is a baby boy or baby girl. So with respect to time, his height is increasing. So then even a number of population, like with respect to time, the population is increasing. So here, with respect to time is, this is independent. P is the population is depending on the time, and the numerator means whatever the variable is there, this is depending on with respect to the rate of change of S is the displacement of the particle. The velocity is given by ds by dt, and v be the velocity of the particle. Then the rate of change of velocity is given by acceleration, that is dv by dt. Okay. Then s is equal to d square v by, sorry, a is equal to d square s by dt square. Okay, if it twice differentiate, we'll get the acceleration. Okay. Yeah, fine, students. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 is easy only. A particle moves along the curve y is equal to x square plus 2x. Then the point on the curve such that x and y coordinates of the particle change with the same rate. Same rate means here x is changing, like here. It is easy to evaluate the coordinate. What is the given data? They given a curve y is equal to x square plus 2x. Fine, y is equal to x square plus 2x. And here, just a moment, we can select Anna. Anna. Yes, students, I got a information. It will be maybe postponed to like Saturday. Is it okay for you? Today is Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma?
Sir, coming Sunday, sir.
Yeah, coming Saturday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma? Uh, right. So sorry is informed to Nisha ma'am as well as Shivakiran sir, I think so. So it will be postponed. Okay, right. So the given curve is y is equal to x square plus 2x. Here, according to the question, observe here. The point, see, here one way is option verification. So one way we can do by option verification. So which of the following option is satisfying the given equation number? In another way, see here, then the point on the curve such that x and y are the coordinates of the particle changes, x and y are changes with respect to same rate, nothing but the change of x variable can be written as dx by dt. Okay, and the change of y variable I am taking as dy by dt. So dx by dt should be equal to dy by dt. We can, same rate of change. So we can take, now I want to differentiate dy by dx. This question, dy by dx, sorry, dt with respect to t, you can differentiate at 2x dx by dt plus 2 into dx by dt. Am I right? Now look at here d, whatever this condition, dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to 2x plus 2 into dx by dt. Shall I cancel these two? Yes. So now 2x plus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Am I right, students? When x is minus 1 by 2, how many options are there? Only one option. Third is the correct. So it's not necessary find y coordinate because x coordinate minus 1 by 2 is only 1. Yeah, next question. Question number 9. Right, students. Let's see. The radius of circular plate is increased at a radius is increased whenever the rate of change of radius can be denoted by dr by dt. The rate of change of radius is increased like 0.01. Decreased means we can take minus, but increased means plus 0.0. If the area is increased at a rate of pi by 10, okay, if I take A be the area, the rate of change of area can be denoted by dA by dt. They have given pi by 10, then its actual radius is what? Okay, there is a circular plate. It's a simple question. Okay, circular plate is there. So if we increase the area, increase the radius, area also will be increased. Am I right? Okay, this is the circle we having. I'm increasing the radius. Then area also will be same. Okay, so now this is the original radius, and this is the increasing. This how much it is increasing radius? 0.01. This increasing part I am taking as dr by dt. dr by dt is 0.01, right? And when radius is increasing 0.01, area also increasing. So what is the area of the circulum? Pi r square. Now differentiating with respect to t on both sides, dA by dt is equal to pi into 2r into dr by dt. dr by dt. Right, students? Okay. Both the values are given. The rate of change of area they given as pi by, how much they given? The area is increased at a rate of pi by 10. Pi by 10 is equal to pi into 2r. We have to find actual radius. So 2r into dr by dt is 0.01. Am I right? Yeah, fine. Now simplify this. Pi get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. Now then r is equal to so 1 by 10 into 2 into 0.01. This is equal to what, students? Actual radius. Yes, students. Which of the following option? 5. Right. Absolutely right. It is 5. Okay. 10 by 2 we are going to get. This is 10 by 2 will get. That is 5. So first option is correct. Is that clear? Yeah, 10th one, y is equal to x cube and x is increases at a rate of, x is increases means, shall I take the question number 10, right? Question number 10. X is increases means, shall I take dx by dt? The rate of change of x given by dx by dt, that value they have given 3 units, fine. And this is given curve, it is increases 3 units. Then the rate at which the slope increases when x is equal to 3. X value also given. Then they given one curve y is equal to x cube. Okay, x cube. Okay, student, can anyone tell that what is the slope? Slope is given by dy by dx. Am I right? dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to what, students? 3x square. See, here they are asking, this is the slope. The slope is increases when x is equal to 3. Nothing but now we have to find the rate of change of the slope. Nothing but what shall we do? We have to differentiate with respect to t. D by dt of dy by dx is equal to d by dt of 3x square. Okay, can you differentiate here? So with respect to right, x square is there. How can you differentiate with respect to 2? Is it possible? So 3 is a constant I'm taking outside. So this value I want to write as d by dx of x square into dx by dt. Shall I? Shall I write? Now this is equal to 3 into x square is 2x. X square is 2x. And dx by, yeah, what is dx by dt? Is it they have given any, yes, dx by dt? They have given 3. Yes, so 3 into 2 into 3 into 3. So simplify this, you'll get the answer 27 2 are 54, I think. Am I right? Yeah, fourth option is right. So what I've done here, simple question. So they given curve with help of the curve, the slope is given by differentiate with respect to x. We got the dy by dx. They asking the rate of change of slope. But the rate of x variable they are given dx by dt is equal to 3. I want to differentiate the slope with respect to t. So I have done, I substituted x value already given. So dx by dt also given, I substituted all values. We got the answer. Fine. Next step. See student, question number 11. Question number 11. The point on the ellipse. See student, all the points are satisfying the equation other than this last one. Because square is a square means it will become positive. First point lies on the ellipse, second point, third point. All of the points lies on the ellipse. But we need to point the correct point. Like what is the point exactly lies on the given ellipse. So according to the given data, the point on the ellipse at which the ordinate decreases at the same rate at which abscissa increases. Ordinate is decreases. How can you take this condition? At the same rate. For example, dy by dt. This is the rate of change of ordinate. Dx by dt. This is the rate of change of abscissa. So the same rate, one is increase, one is
minus.
decrease. Minus. That's all. Any side you can take as minus. So dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. So yeah, fine. Now we have to differentiate given ellipse with respect to t. Okay, 16x square. Sorry. 16x square here. 16x square plus what about the y? 39y square. 9y square is equal to 400. Now differentiate with respect to t. 16 means 32 into dx by 32x dx by dt. X square is 2x. 2 into 16, 32. X dx by dt. And plus 9y square means 18y into dy by dt is equal to 0. So what is the dy by dt should I replace here? Minus dx by dt. Am I right? So even you can take here, this you can write. So shall I take directly dx by dt is outside? Shall I write 32x plus not plus? Because you know what is dy by dt? Shall I replace minus dx by dt? It is dy by dt. So dx by dt when you take here 18y is equal to 0. Okay, here the rate of change dx by dt should not equal to 0 so that we can equate here. 32x is equal to 18y. What about y value? Y is equal to 2x. That's it. Right, we got y is equal to 2x. This y value you have to substitute in given equation of ellipse. Okay, you have to substitute here. So 16x square plus 9y square value is 4x square is equal to, yeah.
Sir, 32 and 18 won't cancel away, no, sir.
Oh, sorry, Amma. Exactly. I thought that 16. Okay. Y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 16 by 9. Am I right? Into x. See, like that, if anyone, if we do the mistake, this kind of mistake, we won't get the answer. Okay, y is equal to 16 by 9 into x. This y value we can replace. Absolutely right. Uh, we can substitute 16 x square plus 9, 16 by 9 x the whole square is equal to 400. Now, student, you can simplify this. We are going to get the option 1 is correct. You can do this. Okay. Shall I go for next one? Yes. 12th one is the rate of the area of an equilateral triangle of side A feet is increases at a rate of 4 square. Okay, right. Here, area of equilateral triangle, right? Now take the triangle here. What is the side they have given clearly in the question? 12th one. Side A feet. Okay. Then can you tell me what is the area of equilateral triangle? Direct formula is that.
4 is to
Yes.
3 by 4 is to
Root 3 by 4 A square. Absolutely right. So here I want to differentiate because the rate of change of area they have given as 4. Am I right? In the questions here, the area of equilateral triangle of side A is increases at a rate of how much it is increased per second. For each second, it is increases 4 square feet. The rate at which the perimeter is increasing. So, what is the rate of change of perimeter? They are asking. Since we know that the perimeter is given by 3a, the rate of change of parameter they are asking, let us do that. So dp by dt is equal to 3 times of dA by dt, right? This we need to find. Further, first we have to differentiate this area. So dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4. A square is 2a into dA by dt, right students? dA by dt, right? So from this, uh, okay, fine. So what about this dA by dt value? dA by dt,
4.
we have 4 they have given. So root 3 by 2 into a dA by dt. From this, what is dA by dt? dA by dt, you can cross multiply all 8 root 3, sorry, 8 by root 3a. That's all. Okay. This dA by dt value you can replace here. dP by dt is equal to 3 times of 8 by root 3 times of a. So what is the options? Yeah. Which of the following option is correct, students?
Second
Shall we
option.
write? Yeah, exactly. This is the rate of change of perimeter. So what I've taken, clearly they mention a, like it is the triangle is a equilateral triangle whose side is A. So the rate of change of area also they have given. So I differentiated with respect to T on both sides. You can consider here A and capital A, small a are the variables, right? So when the side is increase or decrease, the area also increase and decrease, right? So the rate of change of given A with respect to T is given like that. So from that I found the dA by dt in terms of small a. I replaced it in the perimeter. So we got rate of change of perimeter is given by 8 root 3 by a, second option, right? Next, 13th one. A car start from rest and attains the speed 1 kilometer per hour, 2 kilometer per hour at the end of the first and second minutes. In first minute, it will be increase 1 kilometer. In second minute, it will be speed increases 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, right. If the car moves on a straight road, the distance traveled in 2 minutes is. Yes, students. What shall we do, yes, students, here to do this? Yes, Amma. This, I think, purely it is physics. The question which is related to physics, actually. Okay, what shall we do, students?
Sir, can we use sum of arithmetic conversion, sir?
Yeah, at last here, first minute you can take as S1, second minute you can end up the second minute, you can take the speed as S2. So here the question is, let us consider S is the actual speed. In 2 minutes is given by, you can adding this. The distance they asked. The distance in 1 minute is traveled S1, distance traveled in 2 minutes S2, then the end of the second minute is clearly S is equal to S1 plus S2. Now you have to find the S1, S2. Okay, students. So according to the given data, what is the data they have given? Starting speed can be taken by, okay, I'm taking in 1 minute, the small speed is increases 1 kilometers. So 1 kilometer per hour means we can convert it into minutes. Shall I write 1 by 60? Hour means how many minutes? 60 kilometer per minute. In the same way, at the end of the second minute, like I'm taking, the speed is V. V is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. So this is clearly 2 by 60 is equal to 1 by 30 kilometer per minute. I converted in minute because in the question also clearly they mentioned distance traveled in 2 minutes they asked. In 2 minutes, how much it is traveled. Okay, what is the starting speed formula, students? I think so. You know that S is equal to ut plus of S,
80 square.
80 square. Okay, and what about the V?
U plus
U
80.
plus U plus 80. Okay, from these two equation, I want to know this T value. So shall I write 80 is equal to uh, V minus U, right? Okay, fine. Here, see students, we know that U value, we know that A value, sorry, V value and A value. And also, we have a formula that V square minus U square is equal to physics. So there is a formula for that is 2As. Am I right? Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. With help of all these formulas, you have to find both the speed, we have to find the S value finally at the end of the 2 minutes. Okay, you have to substitute all the values. Finally, you'll get S value. S value, how much? Okay, that question you can try, students. That is completely it's related to physics. You can substitute all the values. You have to simplify the answer. I think so. We'll get 1 by 30. Okay. Yeah, let us do this question. The radius of the, this is related to mass also, the radius of the sphere is equal to height and radius of the cylinder. Okay, yeah, they have given the question which is related to 14 to 1. Yeah, fine. Like the radius Fine. What about these students? Clearly, height clearly equal to radius. I'm taking here like capital R, the radius of the sphere. This is small r. This is height is small h. I'm taking capital R is equal to small r is equal to h. All will be equal. So V1 is the volume of the sphere, V2 is the volume of cylinder. Then what are the formulas among V1? V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Am I right? By V2, the volume of cylinder,
IR square H.
pi r square h, 5. Then here, okay, 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Then pi into what is smaller value? Capital R. What is h? Capital R. Because in the question observe here, the radius of the sphere equal to height and the radius of the cylinder. The ratio of the rates of increases volumes, a sphere and cylinder. Can I cancel these two? Can I cancel these two? Finally, we got 4 by 3. What is the ratio? 4 is to 3. Clear? Okay. Now, next question number 15. A point is moving along y cube is equal to 27x. The interval in which the abscissa changes at a slower rate than ordinate. Okay, students, just a minute. You can try that question, students. Students, right, what about the answer here? So they given y cube is equal to 27x. In the question, the interval in which abscissa changes at slower rate than ordinate. Okay, here abscissa is x, ordinate is y. The rate of change of abscissa is dx by dt. The rate of change of ordinate is dy by dt. Here, the rate of change of abscissa is slower than rate of change of ordinate. Shall I take lesser than? Okay, now you can differentiate this. Y cube is 3y square dy by dt is equal to 27 times of dx by dt. Okay, students. So it is lesser than dy by dt. So shall I write here it is lesser than 27 times of dy by dt. I replaced in place of dx by dt dy by dt by taking lesser than. Sorry, lesser than you can take. So this is 3y square dy by dt. Now 3, 9 dy by dt can cancel. Y square is lesser than 9. So y square is lesser than nothing, but what about this sum? According to the inequalities, y is belongs to open interval minus 3 to 3. Am I right? Yes or no? Y square minus 9 is lesser than 0. Y plus 3 into y minus 3 is lesser than 0. From this lesser than means open interval. Lesser than or equal to means closed interval. If it is greater than means minus infinity to minus 3, union 3 to infinity. Like that you can take. Okay, fine, we got the y value. Then what about x values? Y value you can substitute your plus 3 and minus 3. Minus 3 cube is minus 27, get cancel, x is equal to minus 1. So final x is belongs to minus 1 to 1. But in the question, what they asked here, the point moving on this along this path and the interval in which the opposites are. So here, C student, this is right because there is no minus 3 comma 3 in the option. So x is this interval is given. This is right. In multiple choice correct questions, they may give another option minus 3 comma 3. This is also right. Got it idea? Having any doubts here?
Sir, can you explain how you replace that dx by dt as derivative?
Oh, okay. This condition. Am I right? From this, how can we?
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Okay. What is dx by dt they have given?
Lesser than derivative by dt.
Okay, right. Look at here. 3y square dy by dt. Okay, is equal to 27 times of. Shall I write lesser than dy by dt in place of
Yes.
dx by dt? So
Yes.
then if you multiply means generally it will strictly lesser than. So we are getting lesser than 27
Okay, sir.
dy by dt. Get cancelled like that you can do. Any other doubts, someone? Anyone? So what I've seen in previous OBTs, you have done extremely well last time. Even I didn't completed that even parabol ellipse also done well. So this time you are getting 2 days. Actually, I completed late. I expecting this time you are getting more number of I mean, more marks in mathematics. Okay, so don't think about others. So here what I've seen, only few students they are attending all classes. Even I take special classes also. Yeah, as a student, if you want to achieve anything, this kind of interest is very important. Really, your goal is JEE mains or advanced. Okay, student, you may done just maybe hardly you may do hard work, might be 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, or 8 months until JEE advance. Okay, so once again, I'm telling you, your entire life is depending on this 6 7 months time. Okay, take as a challenge. Okay, so reach your goal, whatever you're expecting. This is highly possibility is there. Okay, don't think that JEE advance is impossible. It's not like that. You can go through like previous year questions. It's easy only, but some more logical compared to like JEE mains. Multiple choice correct questions are there. Okay, match the following is there. Assessment reasoning is there like that. Okay, okay. If you want to have a talent, but don't like yourself, you can. Okay, so motivate yourself. You're very capable one. Some students are that, oh my god, this much syllabus is there. Many of the students are there. Like disappoint. They may disappointed. But after writing, many of the students every year, what I'm observing, after writing the JEE mains and the JEE advance, so they called us like even we also done the same mistake before exam. We even I wrote some government exam before going to that. That time I felt like that. Okay, uh, like the competition is very high. I may not be get. Many of them they are studying daily 10 hours, 15 hours like that. Really, students, myself, I face that problem. Okay, so I felt like that I missed my government job for 1.5 marks. Okay, it has happened like twice. So what I thought, I went with negative feeling, but 1.5 marks. I made a many mistake with that negative feeling. Okay, it is my experience. So you also don't think that there is a high competition. Okay, everyone is capable. Only the thing is you have to do the hard work. Okay, it is okay. Your life will be changed. right? Okay, ma. Uh, so next question is that the 16th one. A point is moving with a constant velocity v along a line AB. Okay, and O is the point on the line perpendicular to AB at A and at a distance of L from A. The angular velocity of P about O is. Okay, so in this question, students, the P is a moving constant velocity, like line OB. OB the point on the line perpendicular to like AB on the line. So which is on the line which is perpendicular. O is the point. This is AB. This is clearly perpendicular to AB. So if we draw this, generally it will form a right angle. So perpendicular to AB at A. Okay, sorry, it is at A. O at A. And at a distance of L from A. L from A. Okay, fine. This is L. The angular velocity of P about A. See, students, there is a line segment AB. This is AB. There is a line which is perpendicular to AB and at A passing through O. It is perpendicular, means the angle between is 90. Then you can take the line segment here. Okay, fine, students. The distance they have given L here. So here P be a particle. Okay, right, students. So here from what is the question, students? It is O. The question is here, O is a point on the line perpendicular at a distance. The angular velocity of P about O. Angular velocity of P about O. How can you find, students, here? If I take your x here, distance, then what about the tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, like x by L. Shall I take this? So which implies, so what about the L value? L value like or x value? Yes, students?
L and theta.
Right. Okay, students, this is the theta. So now this is the equation. So I want to differentiate here. I want to differentiate with respect to t. So tan theta is secant square theta into uh, d theta by dt. Shall I write like this? Okay. Now this is equal to L. L cannot be changed. L is a constant. Easier L is changing. It is a fixed distance. But particle is moving. The x value will be changed. So 1 by L x, the rate of change of x is given by dx by dt. Am I right? Okay, L is fixed, x is changing when particle is moving. So then here, then what is d theta by dt? This is equal to, when I take secant square, this is equal to cos square theta into C, students here. What is the rate of change of this displacement here? X is the displacement. Shall I write this value as, yes, sorry, velocity v by L. Am I right? Shall I do like this? Okay, fine. Now here uh, I want to do one thing. So what is d theta by dt is clearly equal to, here v by L is there. Okay, with help of that right angle triangle, what about the cos t? Tan t is opposite by adjacent. What about cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. No? Adjacent is what? L. Shall I write cos square theta as L by OP, the whole square. D theta by dt is equal to V by L into L square by OP square. Okay, nothing but one LL get cancelled. What is d theta by dt? VL by OP square. So according to option, which is correct, Amma? Yes, LV by OP square. Second option. So clearly here they have given a triangle. So there is a perpendicular line O2. It will be intersect at A. They have given distance as L. Okay, I am taking this distance. X is changing. The velocity is changing. So I differentiated tan theta is equal to x by L. I differentiated on both sides. So I substituted cos theta and everything. We got d theta by dt is equal to like this. Then remaining two questions are there. Like totally how many questions are there? Uh, okay, 18 questions are there here. Fine, students. Right. Next one is the angle. An angle increases at a constant rate. The rate of increase tan when the angle is pi by 3 is it 4 times of increases of sine or 8 times of increases of cosine? 8 times the increase of sine. Just we need to find that. Yes, students. So what shall we do in this question? According to the question here, yeah, an angle increases. So I'm taking the angle is theta. It is increases means d theta by dt. Am I right, students? D theta by dt is it increases constantly or constant rate? It is increases constant rate. Nothing but shall I take it is equal to C something. C. Okay, constant rate. And next, the rate of increases of tan. The rate of increases of tan when the angle is pi by 3. Angle is pi by 3 means theta value pi by 3 they have given. And what is the given data, students, here? Okay, now we have to differentiate. When I differentiate here, yeah, tan theta, you can take as tan theta. You have to differentiate tan theta with respect to t. So what about the derivative of tan theta? Because they are asking the rate of change of tan with respect to angle. So d by d theta of tan theta is equal to, clearly tan theta is secant square theta and theta is d theta by dt. What is theta, ma? Secant square theta is pi by 3 they are given. Dt by dt already given, it is a constant. Okay, so right now, what is secant square pi by 3, students? 2. Secant square 60. So secant square 60 is like 1 by 2. Okay, this is this 2 or 4 square?
4.
Yeah, it is clearly 4 times of d theta by dt. Right, students? After that, what shall we do? This 4, I want to do one thing. Okay, according to the option, we can approach. Is it 4 times of increases, 8 times of increases of sine, like that is there? So let's see here. Yeah, we got it. Okay, d theta by dt. So this is, I want to write like this. The right. So what is the relation here? For example, if I write here 8 times of 1 by 2 into d theta by dt. Okay, students. So what about this d theta by dt when sine t tan theta is changing? D theta by dt is a constant. So what about this? We can write 1 by 2 of the rate of change of an angle. rate of pi by 3 as a constant rate, 8 times of it increase. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means tan value they have given theta pi by 3. So when theta is equal to, we have to express in terms of sine or cos this value. What about d theta by dt? For example, here theta value they have given pi by 3. Students, what about cos theta when theta is equal to pi by 3? 1 by 2. Sin theta is root 3 by 2. Am I right? So this value is given by the rate of change of f. When I take theta is equal to sin theta, differentiate here cos theta into d theta by d theta. So d theta by d theta is okay. We are getting here. When I take that value as theta as sin theta or cos theta. Actually, I have a doubt. Actually, it may be sine or cosine. In these two, I have a doubt. So what is the answer they have given, students? Third option given. Okay, I have a little confused between cosine and sine. This I'll give clarity. Okay, students. The last one, 18th one, first option they have given. Okay, they have given like explanation also. We can go through this, students. This is question alone I'm giving as homework. Is it okay?